Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're told that between 1985 and 2003, data was collected every 3 years on the amount of plastic produced annually in the United States. We have a graph which is showing the data and a line of best fit, and we're told the equation of the line of best fit is y is equal to 3.39x plus 46.89, where x is the number of years since 1985, and y is the annual plastic production. Now you'll notice that I did not put the graph in this problem. You have it on the test, but it is unnecessary for solving this problem. There's a second part, which is it's a second problem using the same information, and you will need to use the graph for that, but for this one we don't need the graph. All we need is this line of best fit. We're asked, what is the interpretation of 3.39? Well, 3.39, if this is being represented in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, right? 3.39 is the coefficient of x. It's m in y equals mx plus b. It is the slope of the line, and for the function, it is the rate of change of y over x, right? So the rate of change of y, what is y? It's the annual plastic production. The annual plastic production over x, the number of years since 1985. So the rate of change of the annual plastic production, call it over time. So this is what the number 3.39 means. Which of the answers does it line up with? D, the average annual increase, rate of change, of plastic produced, annual plastic production, per year, over time, in the United States from 1985 to 2003. That just lines up with the information we're given in the problem. So D is going to be your final answer. You can see why we didn't need the graph. We just needed to look at the basic formula and see what that actually means with the equation. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.